Alright, so next one, we've got a point 2, -3, slope of -3/2. Remember, point slope is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. So we write it, we label our x1, y1, and now we plug in. So we get y minus -3 equals my slope, which is -3/2, times x minus my x1, which is 2. Now we distribute -3/2x, and then negative times negative is a positive. 3/2 times -2, that's going to give me positive 3, equals y minus -3. Now, we need to get y by itself. This is minus a -3, so the opposite, when you have a negative and a minus, change it to plus. Just keep it switch flip, and now we do the opposite, so we're going to subtract. So we get y equals -3/2x, and then 3 minus 3 is 0. So you could put plus 0, but this is actually a better way to write it. Now, I want you to try D. We'll go ahead and write the equation. Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. I want you to write the equation, fill it out, and then check your answer. Okay? So push pause now until you've tried it. Alright, here we go. x1, y1, now we're going to plug it in. Y minus 8 equals 0 times x minus 4. When I distribute, 0 times x is 0, 0 times -4 is 0. So this whole side goes to 0. We have y minus 8. Well, how do I get y by itself? We're going to add 8, and we get y is equal to, and 0 plus 8 is 8. So this is an equation that just says y equals a number, which means it's going to be one of our horizontal lines. And we should know that because this is at a slope of 0. So just throw it in there so it doesn't throw you off. We'll do one more. Once again, I want you to try it, and then after you try it, push play so you can see your answer. So let's try E. Remember, point slope form. Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Push pause now. Alright, here we go. This is x1, y1. So we got y minus -8 equals my slope, which is -1/5, times x minus, and my x1 is 1. Now, distribute. Boom, boom. -1/5 x. -1/5 times -1 is +1/5. And over here we've got y minus -8. Remember, whenever you see a negative touching a minus, change it to plus. So we'll need to subtract 8 to get y by itself. So you get y equals -1/5 x, and that's going to give me negative, and if I changed 8 to a fraction, that would give me what? Fraction with denominator 5, so 40/5, and adding 1, that's going to be -39/5. If you have a calculator like what we do, we can put fractions in the calculator and you won't have to do this step by hand, but if you don't, you're going to have to remember your fraction rules from 5th grade. Alright, I hope these notes were helpful. Use them when you work on your assignment. Good luck.